everybody. We are here in Yucaipa at the Fast5Xpress store. I have a coupon to use there. I get $2 off any wash, and I'm like, well, I should come back here and film. The last time I was here, I filmed my old car getting washed here. So now we're gonna see what it looks like today. And I do have a guest with me. It's a family friend who wanted to, can't see her, but she actually wanted to come along with me and see what these videos are like. So, all right. Hi there. Hi. So I have a coupon for $2 off, and I'm just going to use that for the platinum.
Got it.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Same to you, thanks. So usually I just pull up here and I'll wait for them to guide me in. So I can tell you, as a guy who's done this for a living, one of the things I dislike most is people pulling up when they're not signaling them to. So that's bug cleaner, what he's applied there. So those two nozzles that are angled right above us, those are supposed to come down and like get closer to the car, but the sensors probably are all fogged up. They tend to after about a week of not being cleaned. So also what was being applied down there, you couldn't see it, but it was Armor All Tire Shine. That could apply to those. Did you hear that little that noise? That was the sound of the tire shiners extending. So there was some bird poop on top of my car, so I'm actually gonna pull in one of these vacuum stalls here, and then I'm gonna check. Make sure I got it. Windshield looks good. The bird poop up here that I should have probably taped before is completely gone. Yeah, not bad. Well done to Fast5Xpress, my former employer. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. That is it.